Hello my friends, and in today's video we'll take a closer, detailed look at this 2013 Mercedes C63 AMG Coupe. It does have a keyless entry and an active blind spot assist, as you can see the indicator on the outside mirror. It is equipped with power locks, power windows and power mirrors, and both seats have 3-person memory settings. Black interior with beige leather bucket seats and leather door panels and an aluminum trim accents. So here's the key, and now let's try to start the engine. The central part of the speedometer has the driver's information display that also includes the race timer. And as you can see, the tachometer is on the right and the gasoline and temperature gauges are on the left. The central part of the front panel utilizes controls for the radio, navigation, phone and dual climate control as well. 7-speed AMG speed shift automatic transmission with manual mode is in the middle console. Different driving modes can be changed by this little controller. It is Comfort, Sport, Sport Plus and Manual for the pedal shifters that are on the steering wheel. And this larger controller helps to navigate through the main screen. The middle console storage is padded and it includes USB and iPod inputs. 3-spoke AMG leather-wrapped steering wheel with Alcantara grips, with driver information display controls on the left and audio controls on the right. Now parking brake and a headlight switch you'll find by the driver's left knee. Push the pedal to engage the parking brake and then pull the handle to release. Switch the gear to reverse and the rear view camera comes up. Central screen also includes controls for the DVD, CD, AM, FM and XM satellite radio, navigation and Bluetooth audio streaming. Harman Kardon premium audio system. And now let's check out the back seat. Pull this handle on the side and the driver's seat start to move forward. Two-tone interior on the back. The back seat seats 2 people with hidden cup holders in the middle. Hidden 12-volt power outlet for the back passengers as well. And now let's do my traditional back seat test. My height is 6'2" and sitting right behind myself. This is how much of a legroom I have. Large panoramic roof with the power sunshade. And now to get out, pull the handle on the left side of the driver's seat and the seat start moving forward. And next, let's open the hood and check out the engine. Door seals with AMG logo on them, as you can see right here. 18-inch AMG alloy wheels with AMG calipers and cross-drilled rotors. This 2013 Mercedes C63, equipped with hand-built 6.3-liter naturally aspired V8 engine that produces 480 horsepower and MPGs are 13 in the city and 19 highway. Featured on AMG only, engine intake runners with titanium grey finish. Multi-link, fully independent, lightweight AMG suspension on front and back. It is a good sized trunk with 40/60 collapsible back seats. And under the floor you'll find a compact size spare tire along with the battery. Carbon fiber trunk spoiler is also a part of the AMG development package. Alright guys, that was my short tour of this 2013 Mercedes C63 AMG Coupe. I hope you liked this video, leave your comments below, visit my channel for more and see you next time.